and welcome back to K7. And today I'm going to explain the CFOP method on how to solve the 3x3. So let's get started, but first you need to know the notation you need to use. So I'm going to explain it real quick. So F for front, B for back, R for right, L for left, D for down, and U for up. So that should give you a good foundation, but I need to explain a little bit more than that. So if you have a 2 at the next to a letter, that means turn it twice. Like U2 would look like this, R2 would look like this, D2 would look like this, etc. And if you see a prime, that means turn it counterclockwise. So L prime would be like this, R prime would be like this, E prime would be like this, etc. So that should be a good foundation. But now, but L should go this way. And D should actually go this way. And you might do them the opposite way. You might choose to do B the same way as F, but it actually goes the opposite way as F. And now we need to know finger tricks, where you flick aside rather than using your whole hand. That's except for R and L moves. So for you should use your index fingers, and for your D, you should use your finger next to your pinky finger. Or your pinky fingers. And for your B move, you could re-grip and use your pinky fingers. And for F, you can use your thumbs. And for R, you use your whole hand like this. This is how R looks, and this is how R prime looks. And for L, you do it like this. This is how L looks, and this is how L prime looks. And now let's get started. So first step is to make the cross. So you just look around the cube and then you find the pieces where they need to go. Well, some people are color neutral, unlike me, and they can start on any color. So just look at whatever is on the top, and then you can start. But most people will choose white, so I'm going to be teaching that in this video. So we actually just line up one piece at a time, solving the cross. So we first do, so you can do a line. So you can do them next to each other, then you line up this. And then if one is like this, then you could do this, then D2, then this, and then B2. And you could, if it's like this, do this, 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 then B2. And if the cross piece is like this, do this, do this, 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 and B2. And now on to F2L. So F2L is where you pair all of these. So you first need to identify which is here. So you first find where this is. So if it's like this, then you do up, then you do this, this. You do R, U, R prime, R prime, and then you insert it with the left hand sledgehammer, which goes like this. And then if they're like this, you do this. R, U, R, 2, F, R, F prime, U2, R, U, R prime. That will pair it up. Then insert. But if it's like this, do R prime, F, R, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime, U, R, U, R, U, R prime, U, and then this, and then the sledgehammer. And one last case, if it's like this, do R, U, R prime, U prime, F, R prime, F prime, R, 2, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then do insert. And then there are two cases for this. If they're lined up like this, two are flipped, you then turn so that one is on the front and one is on the right. So now we do F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And if they're across from each other, do F, U, R prime, F, and then just repeat that. But there's one more quicker way that I found it. Do F, U, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Then you need to find two of these. And if two opposite colors are on the right, do this algorithm with your left hand. Do this algorithm. L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L. And if two opposite colors are on the right, do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then you flip the cube over and then do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. Over and over again until it's matched up. Then do a D or D prime move to go to the other one that's misaligned. then do that algorithm until it's solved, and then rotate to another corner, then do that two or four. Do that 2, 3, or 4 times until the whole one yellow face is complete. And then you do R prime it to get this corner out. Then you drag the spot where it needs to go up. Then do the reverse. And then repeat that until it's solved.